Hey guys, I posted something about BTC probably crashing tonight, and I think pretty well called it back here when I said it was going to keep going down. And you can see the path it's taking at the moment, and you can see we've got a trade open in a video trading account at the moment. So we'll make a little bit of profit out of it as well. I have a big one open on the main account, which is sitting about $100 at the moment. Same, we took the ticket here right at the same place in the short there. So it's interesting to see what's going to happen. So the only reason I've actually thought about this was if we break this out and we look at the trend marking down, it's all down, and even the last three highs that we've had are all down as well. So one would assume that we're going to get this will obviously go up a little bit, and we'll keep going that track until it comes back again. But all the analysts we've talked to, and I'll go back to what I said about the head and shoulders. So we'll go back to a day chart. Is that this is following it absolutely perfectly at the moment. So we'll go to a day chart. Let's have a look at what's going on there. So if I drag that out a bit more, or maybe expand that out a bit, so you can see it's just doing an absolute reversal of what would happen here. So it's gone up here. You can see that there. I mean, you guys have got to see that surely. And then what happens? It comes down a little bit there. So we'll see a reversal, which is exactly what's happening here now. And then it's going to go up again. So we're saying 54, maybe 55, around here on this side. And then we're going to see a huge, we're going to see a bit of a lift before we do it. And then we're going to see a big drop. I mean, it's possibly down to, I don't think we're going to get down to the, I think more around the 45s is where we're going to be. So don't panic, don't sell, but make sure we don't have any open trades. But really interesting time. So it's the time when we talk about this. This is the zone where we're going to buy stock, the zone where everyone's scared and they're selling stocks. That's when we're going to buy. And Matic is a really, really good example of that. We bought a truckload of Matic back about a month ago for about $1.80 or something like that. I think we got that. So if I take you onto that at the moment, it's a little bit down. It was up at 280, 290 today up there, but we've held on to it. Have a look at this graph. I mean, this is against the odds. If you're buying Matic back here at February 11, 2021, so that's 10 months ago, you're buying it at 14 cents. And now you're getting it for $2.59. That is absolute monstrous growth. You will never get anywhere. So the value of holding and not getting all scared when all these things happen, because they do happen. They happen on every single chart. And I'll pick another one if you want. We'll go Sol. Sol's a great one. Look at that, exactly the same. Had had sold this time last year, $11, up to $256. So anyway, enjoy, guys. But a down market doesn't mean we have to be depressed about it. A down market is an opportunity to do. And you see, even this little trader got it's making a little bit of profit, and it'll go up and down. We'll go have a look at it as well because, as I said, this is our trading account, so we don't have huge trades on it because otherwise it's just you have to when you're doing your own trades you have to watch it all the time, otherwise it gets away from you. So let's have a look what's going on and why we're doing that. So we're going to set that back to where we are. So you can see BTC's a little bit of recovery is trying to cover, but every single time the recovery is lower. So that says to me that the market's trending down. So we're going to see this next one come down to here. And we can already see little spikes already turned 41 that dropped down to. I mean, that's obviously maybe a glitch somewhere, but you know what? If you've got your buy-in set your limit at 41, you just picked up a really good stock and you could have sold it straight away and made $6 grand profit. So, and you can see now, look at this. We got once we get these big legs here that says there's something wrong, and you can see the trading volumes now. We've got some big reds here. A little good green run. This is the bulls trying to help out. And watch our market trades here. We're going to see reds all the time. And we go walls. Look at the wall. The red is a lot bigger. And the faster that flashes, that's how quick the transactions are going, obviously. So you can see that. So Anyway, interesting, guys. Probably not the news you wanted to hear. You don't want to hear it that we're going to have 47 BTC tomorrow, but don't panic. It just means we've got another opportunity again. If you don't sell, you don't lose. We have some big things coming up in the early next year. So, but you always have to make sure you're covering your bases when these go on, because that's the way market works. They go up, they go down. So, anyway, enjoy. I hope this video made a little bit of sense. Love some feedback if you can, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care and look after each other.